Welcome to your customer community portal. This is a short tutorial video for you to understand how to use this portal. This portal will give you real-time access to your tickets that are currently running and also create new tickets in the future. As this is going live now, you will not be receiving any more WSRs. So let's get started. This is your web page. You will be provided with the URL that you need to use in order to log in. From here, you directly click on login. Here you will be entering the unique user ID and password that you have been provided with. This is your home page. You have Codleo's logo on the top left over here. Here you can see the message welcome back Codleo, but instead it will be welcome back and your company name. On the top right, you can have the quick access links to home, products, my tickets, dashboards. Further to the right, you have the notifications icon. And if you click here, you can see your profile by clicking on my profile. So let's start by creating a ticket. We move here and we create a ticket. Once clicked, you will see this page open up. Here you can create a ticket by filling out the following information. Let's take, for example, the subject line can be incorrect data. You can set the priority at any given level from P1 to P4. Let's take P4. Under query, you can select reports. Further to that, you have the super query, which will have reports, errors, access. Under subquery, you can actually write incorrect lead data. Similarly, of the issue that you are facing on your org. At the same time, you can also upload a file. Like let's say you have taken a screenshot of the issue that you're constantly facing. So you go over here and from your PC, you upload the file that you wish to access and upload onto the system. And you can further add it over here. Once all this information is filled out, you can just click on submit. Once you click on submit, your ticket is now finally created. Now let's go back to the home page. Over here under products, you can see contracts and projects. When you click on this contracts, let's say for example, you'll get a chance to see the contract that is currently running. This basically shows all your active contracts or projects which are going on for your company. Once I click on the contract over here, you will see the complete details of the contract, such as the different stages at which it is, the contract number, the start and end date of the contract, the terms of the contract, and the hours along with it. Any kind of description, any kind of signatures that are there, all will be visible over here under this information. We go back to the home page. From here, let's click on tickets. This opens your tickets page. You can immediately see at the top of the page how many tickets are open, how many closed, how many are waiting on customer, which is you, and how many hours are still left from your contract. As you scroll down, you will see the ticket information. Initially, it shows all your open tickets. You can see the ticket number, subject line, date and time it was open, the current status of the ticket, the type of ticket, the query along with the subquery which is picked from the information that you had entered while creating the ticket. If you want to see more details on the ticket, you can just click on the ticket and see more information. Let's click on ticket number 9422. Now that we have opened this ticket, you can see the details on the same. You can see the stages of the ticket. Currently the stage is waiting on customer. Further, when you scroll down, you can see all the details of the ticket that was entered by you in the beginning. As we scroll down, you can see all the information that's been picked up, all the way till down here. Then you have the status information, waiting on customer, date and time details, effort information on the number of hours that are estimated, who it has been approved by, the approved number of hours, and the billed number of hours. It also shows you the origin of the ticket and the email it came from. If we scroll back up on the right side, you will actually see ticket comments. So here you can log in for the current tickets that are open and you can enter any kind of comments. For example, based on the stages it is at, based on the work that is going on the ticket, you can enter a comment accordingly for the support team here at Codleo to take a look at. Under the file segment, any of the images that you had uploaded, like the screenshots of the issues, they will also be visible over here. Now let's go back to my tickets. As you can see over here, these are only the open tickets. When I click on view all the tickets that are there, which are closed, working, resolved, are all visible over here. You can sort it out based on status, based on ticket origins, based on when these tickets were open. All those options are available to you in this page. Finally, we'll be going to the dashboard section. Here you can see the status of your tickets as per the running quarter. You can see the total number of tickets, of which how many hours were billed, how many tickets are still open, how many closed, and how many of these are finally resolved. As you scroll down, you can see the trends of the tickets based on tickets by status, by priority, by origin, and by query. It also shows the number of actively running contracts for your support. If I click on the notifications here, any updates on your tickets will also come as a notification to you from the bell icon. So this was a complete tutorial on using the customer community portal. Hope this was informative for you, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to the Codleo team.